for a big chase today. I'm currently driving through eastern Colorado, and I'm heading towards the Kansas-Nebraska border, where by this afternoon it appears to be a potential for a huge tornado outbreak and likely some violent tornadoes. And the forecast keeps changing on where the best spot is going to be for tornadoes today, but my current thinking is I'm going to head towards sort of Goodland, Kansas, and keep an eye on points east and even north or south along the dry line, and where the warm front is developing in that direction as well. So I'll probably reposition several times today, but I give myself plenty of time. Tornado right here, right in the field next to me. Oh, nice. Beautiful. About a mile away, half mile, right here. It just sort of does a cycle here, like a merry-go-round, and keeps going down the tornado in the middle. It's just a little pipsqueak storm. It just keeps putting down tornadoes. It's amazing. Right in front of us. There's trees right there. A quarter mile away. People are driving erratically. Oh, it's a beast. Multiple vortex. Got tubes coming around it. People are piling up here. Tornado somewhere in Kansas. I think I was near Graff, Kansas. I don't know, it's the northernmost storm. You got a wedge tornado, multiple vortices. You can see very interesting motion. Tubes, horizontal tubes coming off it. Signs of the RFD getting pulled in. Oh my gosh. It's about 2 miles to my north right now. Okay. Wedge tornado, violent. It's crossing right in front of me. Near Crawford, Kansas. It's long track tornado, been on the ground for a long time now. Moving very quickly. You've got to really move to catch up to this thing. It seems like probably moving 50 miles an hour plus. I'm doing 70 or so to keep up with it. Okay, it's crossing right in front of me. I am now about a half mile, quarter mile, about a half mile to the south. I'm going to cross the damaged path here. Don't want to get too much closer right now before power lines start coming down in RFD. Oh my. Okay, I'm coming up the damaged path here any second. It looks like trees down up ahead. It's gonna get away from me, I think. Oh boy. it's moving really fast, and I don't think I can catch it on these dirt roads, but violent tornado, violent rotation, probably strong. Let's see here, the damage, we'll see here in a second. Oh yeah, EF3+, just by looking at the trees. It's a violent tornado. We able to get around? Or are we stuck? Going through Heston, and there's right near dark, there's another wedge developed just north of town. It's kind of hard to see right now. Let's see if I can see it. Yep, multi-vortex.